Got an '05 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. On this vehicle, we've got a low beam out, which is the outside bulb on this side. We presumed it was a bulb. And it's pretty tough to get there because it's on the outside edge and it's right up against this body on the inside there. So the procedure is to take this whole front bumper assembly off of here, which, you know, I've done it that way. It gets into a lot of work. I decided to try it a little bit different way this time, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. I've already done the repair, but this is not going to have any editing or anything, so I'm just going to kind of give you a few hints. Anyway, this, as it turned out, this plug, which on a lot of vehicles this happens, generates a lot of heat where this plug plugs into the bulb, and it melted. You can see that terminal there on the inside just melted, and same way on the bulb itself. But I didn't realize that till we unplugged it. It wasn't just a bulb issue. But so first of all, I removed this little reservoir off of here just to kind of get it out of the way. And then I took these two top headlight assembly bolts out, and then from underneath there's an inner fender liner. It's basically held in with little plastic clips on the inner fender well, and I just took mainly the bottom section apart and then just folded it up to the top there to get it out of the way. And you can see the headlight right in that area, the bulb. And there's actually quite a bit of room, you know, at this point to work it. You can unplug that wire, and the bulb twists counterclockwise and out, and to put it back in, it would be in and then clockwise. Now when you go to pull that bulb out, there isn't very much room behind it. That's where the problem is. There's just not quite enough room to get the bulb out of there. So what I did, the top two bolts that I had already taken off on the headlight assembly, there's another one over here. This is a fender bolt. It's not that one, but the one right in front of it that I have removed holds the headlight assembly. So if you have someone help you, have them get in here with something that you can pry this forward and you don't damage it, but just tweak this headlight assembly forward just about 1/8 of an inch. It doesn't take much, just kind of move it forward, and that gave me enough clearance to cock that bulb sideways and get it out of that hole. Okay, so that was the whole trick. Then I went ahead and replaced this little pigtail harness with that plug that was melted. They sell those at the parts store where you get the bulbs, and you can just splice it in and then put a new bulb in there. So anyway, I hope that helps you out. It saves a couple hours time of taking this bumper assembly off. Thanks.